What is the maximum number of non-family passengers under 21 allowed in the vehicle with a 16-year-old holding a special restricted license? A. No passengers under 21. B. 1 passenger under 21. C. 2 passengers under 21. D. 3 passengers under 21. Answer: C. 2 passengers under 21. What symbol is added to your license, beginner's permit, or ID if you register as an organ donor in SC? A. A green cross. B. A red heart. C. A blue star. D. A yellow ribbon. Answer: B. A red heart. What is the consequence for littering on highways in South Carolina? A. Warning only. B. Community service. C. Fine and potential arrest. D. Mandatory driving classes. Answer: C. Fine and potential arrest. How far from the address on the registration certificate can you legally operate a golf cart during the day? A. Within 2 miles. B. Within 3 miles. C. Within 4 miles. D. Within 5 miles. Answer: C. Within 4 miles. If a driver is required to wear corrective lenses, what is the recommendation for driving at night? A. Wear dark or tinted lenses. B. Not to drive at night. C. Avoid using dark or tinted corrective lenses. D. Use bioptic telescopic lenses. Answer: C. Avoid using dark or tinted corrective lenses. What is the minimum vision standard for non-commercial drivers in South Carolina? A. 20/20 corrected in both eyes. B. 20/40 corrected in one eye. C. 20/30 corrected in both eyes. D. 20/50 corrected in one eye. Answer: B. 20/40 corrected in one eye. What restriction is added to your license if your vision is corrected to meet minimum standards with corrective lenses? A. Restriction code A4 corrective lens requirement. B. Restriction code B4 biannual testing. C. Restriction code C4 daytime driving only. D. No restriction is added. Answer: A. Restriction code A4 corrective lens requirement. What happens if you are under 21 and register a BAC of 0.02% or greater in South Carolina? A. No penalty. B. Warning and educational course. C. Fine only. D. Suspension of driving privilege for 3 months. Answer: D. Suspension of driving privilege for 3 months. Where can you find the recommended PSI for your tires? A. Vehicle's user manual. B. Inside the vehicle door frame. C. On the tire sidewall. D. On the dashboard. Answer: B. Inside the vehicle door frame. What should you do if the tire pressure gauge reading is higher than the number on the door frame? A. Let air out of your tires. B. Inflate the tires more. C. Check the gauge for accuracy. D. Nothing, as it is normal. Answer: A. Let air out of your tires. What is the recommended distance between your chest and the steering wheel? A. At least 5 inches. B. At least 10 inches. C. At least 15 inches. D. At least 20 inches. Answer: B. At least 10 inches. Where should the top of the steering wheel be in relation to your shoulders? A. Below your shoulders. B. At the level of your shoulders. C. No higher than the top of your shoulders. D. Above your shoulders. Answer: C. No higher than the top of your shoulders. Under South Carolina's primary safety belt enforcement law, what can law enforcement officers do? A. Stop a driver for other traffic violations first. B. Stop a driver for not wearing a safety belt based on a clear view. C. Only issue warnings for safety belt violations. D. Check for safety belts only at checkpoints. Answer B. Stop a driver for not wearing a safety belt based on a clear view. Should safety belts be worn in vehicles equipped with airbags? A. No, as airbags replace the need for safety belts. B. Yes, but only in the front seats. C. Yes, in all seating positions. D. Only if the vehicle is traveling above a certain speed. Answer C. Yes, in all seating positions. Until what age must children sit in a car seat in the back seat of the vehicle? A. Until age 5. B. Until age 6. C. Until age 7. D. Until age 8. Answer C. Until age 7. What is the requirement for a child to transition from a booster seat to an adult safety seat belt? A. At least age 4. B. At least age 6. C. At least age 8 and at least 57 inches tall. D. At least age 10. Answer C. At least age 8 and at least 57 inches tall. At what speeds is hand-to-hand steering recommended? A. Below 10 miles per hour. B. 10 to 15 miles per hour and above. C. Above 20 miles per hour. D. At all speeds. Answer B. 10 to 15 miles per hour and above. When is hand-over-hand steering most appropriately used? A. At high speeds on the highway. B. At low speeds, such as when turning at an intersection or parking. C. When driving in a straight line. D. When using vehicle controls like wipers or lights. Answer B. At low speeds, such as when turning at an intersection or parking. Who has the right-of-way at an intersection with no traffic signals or signs? A. The driver who arrives first. B. The driver to the right. C. The fastest vehicle. D. The largest vehicle. Answer B. The driver to the right. In a situation where right-of-way rules are not clear, what is the safest action to take? A. Assert your right and proceed. B. Yield to the other driver. C. Honk to signal others to stop. D. Reverse and find an alternative route. Answer B. Yield to the other driver. What should you do at a flashing yellow traffic light? A. Stop completely before proceeding. B. Prepare to stop as the light will turn red. C. Proceed at normal speed. D. Slow down and proceed with caution. Answer D. Slow down and proceed with caution. What is the correct action at a flashing red traffic light? A. Slow down and yield if necessary. B. Proceed with caution. C. Stop completely and proceed when safe. D. Only stop if there is cross traffic. Answer C. Stop completely and proceed when safe. What does a round yellow warning sign with an X symbol and RR letters indicate? A. A pedestrian crossing. B. A school zone. C. A highway railroad grade crossing. D. A construction zone. Answer C. A highway railroad grade crossing. What does a regulatory sign with a red circle and a red slash over a symbol indicate? A. An area of interest. B. A mandatory action. C. A pedestrian crossing. D. A prohibition of a certain action. Answer D. A prohibition of a certain action. What is the correct procedure for a left turn regarding oncoming traffic? A. Speed up to turn before oncoming traffic arrives. B. Yield to oncoming traffic. C. Oncoming traffic should yield to you. D. Turn quickly without regard to oncoming traffic. Answer B. Yield to oncoming traffic. What is the correct sequence of actions when checking for crossing traffic at an intersection? A. Look right, then left, then right again. B. Look left, then right, and left again. C. Only look in the direction of oncoming traffic. D. Rely on traffic signals and proceed. Answer B. Look left, then right, and left again. In what direction should you travel in a roundabout or traffic circle? A. Counterclockwise. B. Clockwise. C. Straight through without turning. D. In any direction, as long as it's safe. Answer A. Counterclockwise. Under what condition must you stop for a school bus on a two-lane road? A. Only if the bus is on the opposite side of the road. B. If the bus has its red or amber lights flashing or stop arm extended. C. Only if children are crossing the road. D. At all times, regardless of the bus's signals. Answer B. If the bus has its red or amber lights flashing or stop arm extended. When are you not required to stop for a school bus on a multi-lane highway? A. When you are behind the bus. B. When traveling in the opposite direction. C. At all times. D. When the bus is stopped without flashing lights or an extended stop arm. Answer B. When traveling in the opposite direction. What should you do after a school bus's red or amber lights stop flashing and the stop arm is retracted? A. Immediately proceed at normal speed. B. Continue to wait until the bus moves. C. Proceed slowly, watching for children. D. Turn on your hazard lights and pass the bus. Answer C. Proceed slowly, watching for children.